ESSGOO 10.26, Wireless CarPlay unboxing from Aliexpress. ESSGOO Monitor Car Radio Automotive Multimedia Player. Wireless Android Auto. Support loop recording. Record unexpected accidents while driving and keep favorable evidence. Supports AHD and DVR using at same times, but need switch to you need only show one channel. You can transfer the player's sound to the car audio by adjusting the FM frequency band of the player and the car radio. This method can make you have a better listening experience. You can turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone and the Bluetooth of the player. After the connection is successful, you can make a Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth audio so as to free your hands and improve the safety of driving. The 10.26-inch high-definition touchscreen allows you to see the contents of the screen from a larger perspective. The rectangular screen design can better reduce the obstruction of the line of sight. The shape is also more beautiful and fashionable, which conforms to the aesthetics of modern people. The package is equipped with a cigarette lighter power supply. You can work just by plugging in the connector, so that you won't have to worry about complicated wiring.